Welcome to Soup Crafts. I am Soup, and today I got a package from Spellbinders. I ordered it on Thanksgiving, and I just got it today. I missed all of the Black Friday giveaways. I had a bunch of stuff in my cart that was on sale, and then the next day I went to my cart and I thought I'll go look to see if there's anything else that I want real quick. And when I came back to my cart, a bunch of the stuff had changed prices, doubled, and I don't know. Apparently, all of the stuff that I wanted went off of sale. I didn't see anywhere where it said that when the sale was going to end, so that's what I hate about sales. And then I was afraid that was going to happen again, so on Thanksgiving Day, I just went ahead and ordered, and then the next day, they had all of this free stuff that I could have got if I would have waited for one day. But I don't know if the stuff that I ordered would have still been on sale or not. So yeah, that's what I hate about sales. Okay, well, anyways, let's just get to it. I already cut most of the tape. Packing paper. Okay, I'm going to move this so I can bring it up to the table. Little more room. Okay, I got this Happy Birthday Wishes die set. There's 6 dies, so I like that. Obviously, I like all this stuff because I picked it. But I'm happy to have that. That's nice and big. That'll fill up a card. Okay, these paper pads were like $3, so I don't always buy a lot of paper pads, but when they're cheap, I'm going to buy them. I like that. Some good florals. That's nice. Oh, I like the books. There's some pens. Oh, that one's pretty. Yellow is not my favorite color, but black one. Got some little cut aparts. Those will come in handy. Is that typewriters? There's some typewriter keys. Some oranges or peaches, pink. Flowers, green stripes. That'll be nice. And then we're back to the beginning. Okay, I like that. I wasn't sure what the papers were going to look like. And it is just paper. It's not really cardstock, so. Okay, I like the wood. Those plants are nice. Went a little fast there. Oh, I like this floral. That's pretty. Butterflies, monotone. Oh, that one's nice. Oh, I like the plaid. That's pretty good. Oh, I like this one. Is that supposed to be dandelions or snowflakes? It kind of looks like snowflakes to me, but over wood. I like that. Oh, it's these kind of flowers probably. What are those? Daisies? Some sunshines, some gold leaf. Oh, like a collage paper. That's nice. I don't hate the roses. And then we're back to the wood one. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, then I got this speech bubble sentiment set. There's a lot of really good sentiments in here. And I love you, happy day, hello, you're amazing, excellent, a different and, a day in the life, just saying, so much happy, heck yes, all day, every day, time to relax, what an amazing day, my world, yes please, memories, you plus me, and I like those. And I got the die set, so there's a bunch of speech bubbles, and I'm going to be able to put a lot of other sentiments in there. So that's going to be great because they're bigger. There are all of these bigger ones that I'll be able to use for other sentiments. And then here is a small die of the month, Birthday Bliss, with a little, I was going to say llama, but that is not a llama. This is a turtle, and this is a sloth. And it says Birthday Bliss, I think is what that says. And then I got one of these little doors. I think it's cute. I thought that it was more Christmassy. Oh, no, it's fine. It still looks kind of Christmassy, so yeah, I like that. And I got some Simon Hurley. I love a good pun, and a good egg pun is no exception to that. I hope your day is extraordinary. Happy spring. Spread your wings and fly, which you could use for butterfly stuff too. I got more butterfly stuff than I want. Chirp, chirp. Bunny hugs and Easter wishes. Happy birthday. No bunny loves you like I do. I'm so excited for you. Happy Easter. And then a happy Easter in case you want to just be, normal. But, and then all these little bunnies, they're so cute, and the little chicks. So this is a good set, I think. Then I got this one. I think it's the Bestie Alphabet Beads and Sentiments. I got the arms before. It's got a bunch of sentiments in here. I can't really read them on the front. Here we go. Live in the moment, have a marvelous time, dance like no one is watching, tied to you with a smile. You are my closest friend. I'll stand by you forever. You'll always have me. You see the best in me. Be fearless. I'm dying to see you. You're really going to be someone. You are the one I believe in. And then this die, I think, just cuts out the circles and the little characters, but that'll be cute. Then I got another stamp and die cutting set, Snowflake Wishes, it's called. It's got, I'm not going to read all of these ones. There's so many. And these little tiny ones, some of these are hard for me to read. Yeah. But there's a sending, wishing, and I think believe, because there's an in yourself. So believe in yourself, sending season's greetings, wishing or sending heartfelt sympathy, wishing season's greetings, wishing you a happy retirement, wishing you a speedy recovery, or sending you a happy retirement. So there's a lot to do with this one, like almost anything you want, I think. You a lifetime of happiness, you a happy anniversary in Christmas magic. It's going to be good. Okay, next up, I got a stamp and die set. It's a Simon Hurley set, and it is called Watercolor Flowers. I ordered this before I got my Simon Says stamp box where I got the watercolor flowers, but the festive watercolors, but I didn't get the die set with that one. So this will work well with that Tim Holtz technique to use the watercolor pencils, I think. So I might give that a try. And then I got another Simon Hurley set. I don't know if I knew that these were rubber stamps, but I think it'll be fine. That's okay. But it also has the die set, so I can have some flowers and some leaves, some foliage. These are kind of big. These are big leaves. That's a big leaf. And some ferns. Yeah, I like it. And then lastly, I got some chipboard in black and white. I intend to make some recipe booklets for my adult daughters for Christmas. So if you're interested in watching me do that, let me know and I can film that process. Hopefully they'll turn out all right. All right, well, that's what I got from Spellbinders. Thanks for watching. Bye.